The global threat picture is now more complex than ever. Risk and danger have escalated tremendously in all sectors of life. Traditional criminal elements have transformed to more diverse and hostile organizations. Threats of civil unrest, active threats, often stemming from workplace violence, to physical site intrusions and cyber attacks are all a reality. And organizations are now faced with a myriad of serious challenges to protect their employees, assets, and reputation. Intelligence Consulting Partners offers tailored and customized security solutions for any organization. With a global footprint and networks in over 60 countries, ICP brings unparalleled operational knowledge and expertise to the table, ensuring reliable and practical solutions for any security need. Our clients include Fortune 500 companies, hundreds of law enforcement agencies, financial institutions, businesses of all sizes, and houses of worship. In addition to our traditional clients, ICP's special mission projects have provided enduring support for clients such as the White House Marines, Department of State, and embassies worldwide. At Intelligence Consulting Partners, we are leaders in education and sustainable programs. Our staff is comprised of highly distinguished, active and retired law enforcement personnel, military, intelligence operatives, corporate security specialists, educators, and healthcare professionals. These threats are real. How prepared are you and your company in responding to and mitigating those threats? At ICP, we specialize in special mission projects, exercise design, physical site assessments, and holistic active shooter training. Protect yourself, your employees, your assets, and your reputation. Contact the global leaders in customized threat assessment and security solutions. Intelligence Consulting Partners. Our single goal is to protect America, one community at a time.